Or you might, I don't know, just I'll show it to you over and over again. So I'm going to show you with just two threads, and I made two different colors. Okay. So what I did was I knot two together. If I'm doing this for myself, many times I'll just start like this with my loop, but just to make it easier,
So it doesn't twist around.
I'll just make an end loop. Okay. And I'm going to put my finger between the yarns. All right, so I set it up. I'm going to do my yellow yarn as my first yarn and this red yarn as the second yarn. Okay, so I'm going to start this. Let's see how I'm going to do this. It's going to take me a moment to readjust and realign, reconfigure. Just call me Ruby Siri. And okay, so I'm going to go this way. That's the first one. Okay, so let's say I'm starting, it doesn't matter, I don't need a cross on this side. So, and I'm just going to go down the bottom. Okay, never mind. I'm going to go up and down. Okay. You see how I'm going up and down? My arm rests at the bottom. Mm-hmm. Such a luxury. Okay. And the only reason I did it this way is because whatever the measurement I needed, this extra amount helped me. And so I'm going to go up here, and my fingers between these two. Mm-hmm. Okay? And my first color, the first one I keep on the right side of my hand. Okay, I'm coming around here and making my cross in this area. I don't make it at that point. And when I come across, my habit is that my first thread's on the outside of the dowel, my second thread is on the inside. And then I do this little twisty thing with my hand, and it makes the cross. And I come around here, and I go around the top together. Okay, they both go around. And then I need because the last one I did was on the outside, I need the first one to be here, and the second one to be there. But then I have to twist it, and I come around, and when I'm going this way, I switch hands, and I put my index finger through. And so this hand is now winding. Okay. And I come here, and now both of them are going to go around, whereas before I had made it that way. And I come back.
So now you switched hands again.
I switched. It's so instinctive.
Switched arms, so your arm rests.
I'm right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And totally balanced. That's not why I need physical therapy. Okay. And sometimes it tangles there. Okay, I'm coming to my cross area. So I'm setting it up. You're going to see, my yellows are on one side, the reds are on the other. The yellows are on one side, the reds are on the other. Because there's two ends. It's even. It's like A, B, A, B, A, B. So at even number of threads that you're carrying, you're going to have the same colors on the same side. So that gives me a clue. The yellow's going to be there, but it's my first one. And the second one's on that side, and I just twist my hand. I think I'm holding my hand a little bit like when knitters are casting on. And it's just so instinctive. My hand just does it. And when I'm here, I just switch. And my fingers always between the two threads. And anytime they start knotting together, I can just pull some more and keep going through by themselves, untangled. And they didn't have to make this such a long warp. Maybe somebody will weave something with it. Okay. And then I'm coming through here, okay? So my first color I put on my right side because it needs to be on this side of the dowel. It needs to be first. So my first color goes on this side. The second color is going to go on that side. The third color is on the outside, and the fourth color is on the inside, which means that if I do this carefully and pick the second color and the fourth color out of the way and just put them here, they're still in line. And then back in.
That's too hard.
Okay, and when I come up here, I'm just picking it. So now the yellow is first, and the red is second, the green is first, and the purple is second. So I'm just picking the yellow and green here, and then just all of it's going around. And then here, I need, did I do that right? Okay. So now the purple was last. So the yellow has to be on this side and the green has to be on that side. So I'm making sure that I'm not going behind to pick this because it would tangle it. So I'm making sure that they're all in their plane, and I'm taking the yellow and the green, putting it on this side, and then down here, I'm taking the red and the purple, and then I just switch hands. And then it doesn't matter. And this normally is not tangling up as much, but I did start off with a little bit of a tangle. And I can use the same hand until things clear. And or go in there.